All right, let's talk about the electromagnetic spectrum and emission spectrum. All right, so electromagnetic. Okay, this has to do with waves. All electromagnetic radiation is said to travel at the speed of light. That is technically in a vacuum, but it is equal to lambda times the frequency. This is the wavelength measured in meters. Frequency is the number of waves that pass by a given point per second, or it's hertz, which is really just inverse seconds. So the speed of light is in meters per second, and that's taken to be 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. So we're talking about electromagnetic radiation. Highest energy and frequency would be gamma radiation. Lowest would be radio waves. Okay, so radio waves are real long. Gamma have a lot more energy. We have microwaves in there. Infrared. We have visible. After visible is UV light, and X-rays are in there. Okay, in this visible light, we go from red, it's Roy, G, Biv, and last being violet, and then it goes to ultraviolet. Hopefully that makes sense. And they usually blow up the visible light so that you can see it. Useful to know some of this. Particularly questions might be like the gamma ray, UV, the order, high energy, and then versus the lower energy, Roy G. Biv, with violet being higher energy than the red. Okay, this all leads into the atomic emission spectrum. Okay, and with the idea that electrons are in energy levels and travel the distance between energy levels gets less the higher up in energy you go. N being the main energy level, this would be N equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up actually to infinity. The idea that electrons have to be on an energy level means that they emit a line spectrum, okay, with convergence at the upper end because of the closeness of the energy levels. Okay, so light is a continuous spectrum. If I have a sample of a element and I excite it, the electrons are going to jump up to an energy level and jump back down, and they emit some light. This can be visible light, and this is when you get the line spectrum here.